Today I have a Cadillac XTS and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the headlights. But before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm sitting in the Cadillac XTS, this particular Cadillac XTS, and in order to operate the headlights on this particular Cadillac XTS, what you're going to do is you're going to look to the left-hand side, and you see this lever right here? This lever right here is for controlling the headlights. Currently, I keep my headlights in the auto feature right here. And what this does is the vehicle automatically detects if the headlights are needed and will turn them on accordingly and turn them off accordingly as well. All right, so it looks at seeing the sensor and it'll turn it on if you need it. Now, if you don't want the headlights on auto or on at all, you just take this lever right here, and I'm going to spin it backwards towards me, and it turns automatic light control off. And so the headlights are manually turned off. Okay, so the headlights are off. Now to turn them on, I can either go back and go press this, pull it back down, and then release it, and it goes to auto. And it turned the automatic headlights back on. You have to check to see if that's actually the case. It show up on the instrument panel. See, I'm going to turn them off really quickly by doing that action. It says automatic light control off. And if I do it again, where I'm going to spin it back again this way, it says on here, automatic light control turn on. All right, now that's the auto lights. Now to turn on the parking lights, I'll just take this lever and I'll put it right there. And it turns the automatic light control off when I went there. Did you see that? I went up here, the parking lights are engaged. Now to turn on the headlights in the manual way, just take this lever, go again right there. Now they are on manually. All right. Now, with that being said, I'm going to show you the high beam headlights or the bright headlights. Now, in order to turn that on, I'm going to I can pull it back this way. And what happens is when I pull it, it just flashes on. So it's just flashing on the headlights. You'll see the blue light on there. But if I want to turn them on to where they're on, they're completely on and not just flashing on, what I'll do is I'll take this lever with the headlights on and I'll push it that way. Pushed it real good. Salt and pepper. And you see this right here? It is the indicator that the bright headlights are on, that blue light. Now to turn them off, what I'm going to do is the opposite of pushing it in order to turn it on. I'm going to take this and I'm going to pull it backwards, and you see that blue light went off. And when I'm done, I just simply go right here, and I can go right here to turn it back into the auto where it says auto light turn on, or I can actually turn the automatic lights off and then the headlights are off. I'm going to turn it back on to put it on the auto feature. And that is how you turn on and off the headlights in a Cadillac XTS. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.